You know that Paleolithic age was 2,50,000 to 10,000 BC. Already we know that age period of Paleolithic period. Further, Paleolithic period was divided into three periods. That is Lower Paleolithic period. The age of Lower Paleolithic period was 2,50,000 to 1,40,000 BC, and Middle Paleolithic period. Time period of Middle Paleolithic period was 1,40,000 to 40,000 BC, and finally Upper Paleolithic age or Upper Paleolithic period. Time bound of this period was 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. So these three periods called as a Paleolithic age. First, let us see the Lower Paleolithic period. What happened in this period? The man was first evolved in African continent. That man is a tailless ape-shaped man. And first man, we know that the first man was tailless ape-shaped man, like chimpanzee and gorilla shape. This man was called as Australopithecus. So which man was called as Australopithecus? Tailless ape-shaped man was called as a Australopithecus. Okay, next. This man ate nuts, fruits, and which are available in forest, like animals and insects. Some fruits also this man was ate. And in different countries called as a different names in Lower Paleolithic period man. So we see which countries, we see some of the examples. First, Pithecanthropus. They called Pithecanthropus where they called in Java. In Java they called Pithecanthropus Lower Paleolithic man. In China they called Sinanthropus. In India we call it as Ramapithecus. Among these three, Sinanthropus, they know how to make fire. This is very important. In Lower Paleolithic only, Sinanthropus in China, they identified fire and they know how to use the fire. Okay, how to make the fire. Next, come to the Middle Paleolithic age. In the Middle Paleolithic age, we know that the period was 1,40,000 to 40,000 BC. This man was identified, where this man was evaluated. This man was evolved in Neander Valley in Germany. Where? Neander Valley in Germany. So that's what this man is called as Neanderthal. But unfortunately, this Neanderthal man was disappeared in 40,000 BC. In the 40,000 BC, this Neanderthal man was disappeared due to some climatic conditions are changing. So that's what this man was disappeared in 40,000 BC. Next, this Neanderthal man introduced buried system, burying. Now we are burying the dead bodies in the digging, and we are burying the dead bodies. No, so that system was introduced in Middle Paleolithic age. Who? Neanderthal people. Next, we see the another important point here, Lower Paleolithic and Middle Paleolithic. These two ages, the man was called as a hominid. Hominid means ancient people. And in Upper Paleolithic period, come to Upper Paleolithic period, here by the end of this Upper Paleolithic period, man become a full-fledged man, like modern man, like. So this modern man is called as a Homo sapiens. Homo sapien is a modern man, where these Homo sapiens we can see first in Europe, Africa, China and Palestine. In these places, archaeologists identified modern man or Homo sapiens. And these people, these people are the technical skilled people. They know how to make tools, very sharp tools, and how to hunt the animals, and they developed some paintings also. And they believed on natural gods, and religious beliefs also they followed. This is about the three periods, or lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, and upper Paleolithic. The three periods called as a Paleolithic age. Next we see the sites of old Stone Age. So here some of the archaeologists like Robert Brucefoot and Sir Alexander Cunningham identified Stone Age sites. So where it is located? Son Valley in Pakistan. Son Valley is located in Pakistan. It is site of old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. And next one, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, they see the site of Aramgarh Hills. In the Aramgarh Hills, they identified one of the site of Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. In Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka. In Madhya Pradesh state, Bhimbetka is the one of the another site. AP, Borra Caves or Karnool Caves, it is the very famous. Present also, it is a visiting spot and tourist spot. Okay, it was the time of Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Borra Caves or Karnool Caves. Borra Caves are located in Karnool district. Okay, next one, last one, it is Athiramapakam. You know that Brucefoot first he discovered Athiramapakam. It is the Paleolithic tool or Paleolithic site in South India. Okay, these are the sites of Old Stone Age. Mainly these sites are located in water resources. Near water resources only they identified. Why? Because the old age man or old Stone Age, the people they lived near the water bodies or river banks to survive their life.